welcome back. Today's session we are going to talk about the city map. In this you are going to learn about welcome to the city, ask for direction, understanding the direction, some vocabularies, maps and conversation. This lesson will help you to know how you can find your way around and knowing some few key phrases which can help you to go a long way in making your travel smoother. First of all, to the city. Now let's just imagine that you are going to a beautiful German city, but unfortunately because of your language issues you could not understand or could not ask that which direction you want to go. You want to see lots of sights, lots of beautiful places, but due to lack of your vocabulary your trip is becoming very difficult. So to release your stress, you can learn some of the vocabularies and make your trip more smoother. First of all, we are going to see how we can ask for the direction. First impression is always very important, which you are asking about how to say excuse me. So let's see the vocab of this. Hello. So hello is hello. When you're saying excuse me, that's called as Entschuldigung. Entschuldigung. I am sorry. Es tut mir leid. May I ask you a question? Darf ich Ihnen bitte eine Frage stellen? Darf ich Ihnen bitte eine Frage stellen? When you're asking for the direction, you can simply say, to respond to the person who helped you, you can say Danke, which is thank you. Auf Wiedersehen, goodbye. Now let's see how to understand the direction. Die Ecke, that is around the corner. Nach links, towards left. Nach rechts, towards right. Geradeaus, straight ahead. How to understand the direction or ask the question for that? First of all, you can say wo. Wo means where to, as a specific location or something stationary. Wohin, where to, but as in a direction shows movement. Dort as there, a specific location. Dorthin, there, heading to a location shows movement. Rechts as right and link as left. Geradeaus, that means straight ahead. Entlang, along. Gegenüber von, opposite of or opposite from. Die Ecke, the corner. Der Nord, north. Der Süd, south. Der Ost, east. Der West is west. Die Stadt, city. Der Plan, map. These are many of the most basic words you are likely to need when asking for directions. Now it's time to learn few more phrases to help you get started. Wo ist means where is. So wo ist die Bank? Where is the bank? Wo sind wir? Where are we? Wohin gehen wir? Where are we going? Können Sie mir sagen, wo dash ist? Could you tell me where is? Is this white? Is it far? Wie komme ich zu? How do I get to? Welche Ausfahrt ist für Köln? Which exit do I take for Klogen? Wo ist der Bahnhof? Where is the train station? Biegen Sie hier ab. Turn here. Biegen Sie hier rechts ab. Turn right here. Das ist weit weg von hier. That's far away from here. Ich gehe vor die Bibliothek. I am going to the library. Gehen Sie immer geradeaus. Keep going straight. Gehen Sie die Ecke. Go around the corner. Let's see some of the vocabularies like we have here. Bushaltestelle, bus station. Bahnhof, train station. Flughafen, airport. We can also say you probably get around zu Fuß, by foot. Straßenbahn is like tram. Then you have exchange office or bank. Bank is Bank. Wechseltuber, that is exchange office. Touristeninformationen, tourist office. And then parking spot, that is your Parkplatz. So these are some words given here, same with the pronunciation as well as the translation, which you can go through. Some of the more vocabularies are added like die Kirche, church, der Dom, das Stadtzentrum, die Fußgängerzone, der Hauptplatz, die Geschäfte, der Stadtpark, das Museum, das Theater, die Kneipe. So these are some of the vocabularies which will help you to understand and see like how and what you can say nearby things. Let's see the maps. Here are some of the map directions and the angles given, which you can just make sure to go through with it using the map. That will help you much better. Okay. Now we will see the conversation. Entschuldigung Sie, wissen Sie, ob es in der Nähe eine Bushaltestelle gibt? Excuse me, do you know if there is a bus stop near here? Die Bushaltestelle ist vor der Bank. The bus stop is in front of the bank. Ja, gehen Sie zuerst geradeaus und biegen Sie an der zweiten Ampel rechts ab? Yes, first go straight, gehen Sie zuerst geradeaus, straight. Turn right, biegen Sie an der zweiten Ampel rechts ab. Turn right at the second traffic light. Then turn left at the corner of a bookstore. So biegen Sie danach an der Ecke des Buchladens links ab. Bookstore, Buchladens. And you can see a bank and Sie sehen eine Bank. So that's it in this. See you in the next session. Meanwhile, go through with all the directions.